Sunday on the Soul Sister channel. I've always wanted to say that. Welcome to the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. It is Sunday, August the 14th, and I've got your astrological forecast going from today through Saturday, August the 20th. And I don't know if you've been watching the channel, but the last 3 weeks have been quite a challenge for us. I think we can all agree. I mean, we have been challenged, who we are, what we believe in, what we want to accomplish. There has been someone's or jobs or situations who have come at us the past 3 weeks, really trying to undermine what we're doing. And it's been quite a test to our faith in ourselves and faith in the universe. And hopefully we've come through fairly unscathed to today. I have a story. I had someone, now, we're conscious, so we know what's going on. So here I get contacted by someone who kind of dropped the ball and disappeared and ghosted me a while back, and all of a sudden they appear again. And I'm wondering why? And they're communicating me, and I'm like, there's something wrong here. There's something not right. And I know that there's a piece of information that I have that this person may want. So this person communicates with me for like 4 days, like we're best friends, right? Like we're gonna really have a great relationship. And then on that 4th day, here comes the ask. Here comes the tease to get the information. Since I kind of thought maybe that's what this whole contact thing was about, I chose not to provide it. And you know what happened? You all know what happened. The end. No more communication. That was the end of that. But here's the thing. I didn't compromise myself. I didn't compromise myself and what I believe in just so this person would keep communicating with me. And I'm not sure they would once they got the information. But here, that's just a sample of people and situations challenging us and our authenticity, our true self, believing in who we are. People have been after that for the last 3 weeks. But I have great news. Oh my God, it took so long to get here. But as the universe is, how the cycles work, the universe at least gives us the energy to take a break. And that's what this week is all about. We get to take a chill pill. We get to enjoy what's left of the summer with friends, socializing. And not only that, you guys, this week, 2 date nights, 2 of them. Yeah, so we'll be talking about that. Because of the energies, we're in a pretty good mood this week. And if we're in a good mood, most everyone else is in a good mood too, unless they have some major issues that they just can't get through. And we will run into some of those people this week. Today on Sunday, the 14th, it's a great day to get outside, get out with friends, do something. Oh my gosh, challenge course came into my head. Do something that stretches us, stretches our boundaries. Take that hike, make that hike go a little bit longer, something outside. The only thing about today, like I said earlier, is to stay away from people who are cranky, because they're still out there, and there's still Debbie Downers out there who are just trying to suck our jam, suck our good times right out from under us. So if we get an inkling of any of those people being in our space today or even this week, tell them maybe later when you feel better, something like that. But they're the only ones that can bring down our vibe today. Criticism and judgmentalism. On Monday and Tuesday, the vibes keep going. Now, here's the problem. We're in a great mood. We want to chat. We're witty. We want to we want to play tricks on people. We're just in such a good mood, right? But the one mood we're not in, and that is to do our work. So if we have a job, this week is gonna be really difficult for us to just keep our focus so that we can get our job done, our responsibilities taken care of, so that we can enjoy this great end of the summer feeling. We'll have time. There's time all week to enjoy the summertime feeling, even if we have to work your regular full-time job or a couple jobs. There's plenty of time to take time to have fun with our friends and get out there and socialize. So just remember that when we're at our desk this week, it's going to be like we're going to be looking at the clock every 30 seconds. Isn't it time to go yet? I'm sorry about that, but we will eventually get to go, and then we can get our summertime fun times on. So that is the bad news for the week. And then on Wednesday, so we have the Sun in Leo in conjunct Neptune in Pisces. This is a great day to just take the day off, relax. We're not hiking today. We're laying out at the beach, or we're laying out at the pool, or we're on our floats, just doing something real lazy. And then those Debbie Downers are around here on Wednesday again. So if they come into our space, I don't know what to tell you to do with them. Say you're busy. I got something to do because, dude, you're bringing down my vibe. Oh, okay. And then Thursday, oh my gosh, you guys, our first date night. We've got Venus in Leo trine Jupiter in Aries. This is big. This is big if we're looking for romance in our lives. Be ready. The energy is there. It is a trine. So your soulmate is not going to come knock on your front door. There it is over there. Knock on your front door over there. Knock on your front door and say, here I am, I'm your soulmate. You're going to have to initiate contact, okay? So don't expect to come to you. You're going to have to be part of co-creating this new relationship. And this new relationship may be a little different. Even we have our second date night on our regular date night Saturday, and that is another time where we're going to meet somebody out of the box, someone that we didn't expect. But for some reason, man, they ring our chimes. But on Thursday, let's get back to Thursday. On Thursday, it's just so romantic. It's swept off my feet energy. You see this person for the first time, instant connection. You know what I mean? It's that kind of energy. So if you experience it, like I said, make sure you make that effort to make that connection, because it may not come the other way. It may not come the other way because it is a trine, and trine is like all the energy is beautifully there, but you got to do something about it. So that's on Thursday. That's awesome. And then on Friday, we have the Sun in Leo in conjunct Pluto in Capricorn. So real tough day at work because we're just like itching to get out there and do something and go river rafting. I mean, we're feeling like, let's do something. Let's go windsurfing or something just exciting and adventurous. And that's our mood, and we're stuck at a desk. So jump out of an airplane. I'm coming up with all kinds of crazy things, but that's the kind of day Friday is. We want to end the summer doing something completely out of the box, doing something completely new and different and adventurous. Be bold and go get it on Friday. And then on Saturday, like I said, it's another wonderful time to socialize. This whole week, we are having so much fun with our friends. We chat, we laugh, we joke. It's so lighthearted. It's such a much more lighter energy than we've have experienced in the last 3 weeks. So it kind of goes to our head, this lightness and this feeling good about life. And then Saturday we have Mars going into Jupiter. No. As soon as I said that, I knew I did it wrong. Mars going into Gemini. And so now this is another opportunity for a romantic rendezvous with our soulmate. We might even meet our soulmate this week. I mean, this is the kind of energy that's around. And, but what's going to happen? I just have a note here. It's not going to happen if we stay home and sit on the couch, unless... And I'm going to say it. I know people have good luck with it. The dating apps, if you are into the dating apps, this is a good time to find a connection that way. So if you're thinking about that, Saturday's a good day to sign up for it. It's a good day to check it out. Make sure that you're looking at all your matches and all that stuff. I mean, there's a possibility that if you've been working with a dating app, you might get progress. You might have some progress. You might find somebody today or in the next couple of days. So isn't it a great week? Summertime. It's our summertime week, guys. So let's really get out there and enjoy this energy. We've worked so hard for it. Like I said, the last 3 weeks have not been easy. So now we get to experience a time out, experience the fun of summertime and relaxation. So enjoy it. And to get started on the week ahead, let's start by taking our 3 deep breaths and then our Sun in Leo affirmation. And I hope that we all are doing our 3 deep breaths and the affirmation at least once a day. This is really going to help us be aware of the energy, be more conscious of the energy around us, and the best way to utilize the energy around us. When we're tapping into our higher self who has all the answers, that's how we're going to get our answers, right? But we have to tap in. We have to quiet and center and allow spirit to speak to us through our thoughts and ideas. So don't leave that out of the equation this week. It'll make for a much better week. Let's begin by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this emotional astral body. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness, all the negativity flowing out of our bodies and flowing away. In its place, we see our bodies being filled with this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of light, love, and the will to good. Not only do we see it filling our entire body, it's protecting us from all evil, low vibration, and all negativity which is being deflected away from us. while we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say the Sun in Leo affirmation. I am the ruler of my universe. I choose to rule from love, abundance, and gratitude. We're going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. And when you do this at home, I'd like you to stay in this space connected with your higher self for 5 minutes instead of 5 seconds. So let's say the affirmation. I am the ruler of my universe. I choose to rule from love, abundance, and gratitude. Good work, good work. So what a great start to a great week ahead. Make sure you use this energy to the fullest. Get out there, enjoy, get outside, do something new and different. If you've never jumped out of the plane before and that's what you want to do it. Stuff like that. It's a great week. So enjoy. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational oracle messages there, and I put in some really interesting memes to help us challenge ourselves, confirm where we are, and give us something to ponder upon. Ponder a pot? Ponder upon. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, subscribe, and share so that we can get the word out that we are in charge of our own reality. And just as a reminder, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. And that is what we're trying to help everyone understand so they can start consciously creating our own reality, our own best life. Have a great week ahead. Do something fun. Namaste.